Show's got a show. I'm your host, Daisy. Today, I am trying to recreate Captain Crunch slime. So, yeah, let's just get started. So, I'm gonna just make a regular slime for the base. Get off me, glue. Just a tiny slime. I'm not making much today because I need to save my slime. I need to save my glue. I didn't mean to use this spatula, but I grabbed it. So now I'm using it. Okay. Oops. That was a little too much for the first pour. Okay. That was a lot too much for the first pour. A way lot too much. Okay, well, I'll be back when this is good. Slime. So here's the slime. It's still pretty sticky, but we have to add in the foam. So first I'm gonna add these for like the yellow cereal. There we go. That's too much. But there we go. It's still sticky. This is gonna need more borax. It might need more, but I don't think so. I think that's good for that. I might add more later. And then we have big foam beads for the berries. There we go. Oh, it's sticky still. Okay. Borax. I don't like sticky slime. I don't like this. I made it way too sticky. I'm gonna add the rest of the borax too, which is probably a bad idea. Some of the foam beads are really dyeing the slime, like the red ones. And the orange ones really, too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be an official Showzy. Comment on this video. Something about slime season. Go check out my second channel, Daisy's Craziness, that probably appeared as a card somewhere around here. And possibly right now. I also have a lot of social media, so to see what they are, go down in the description box and take a peek. That's it. Bye!